Sa mga laban ni Pacman sa kanyang hindi matatawarang karera, ang bansang Mexico ang tumatak sa ating mga Pilipino matapos makapagbigay ng mga makasaysayan na laban sa pagitan ng Pilipinas at Mexico sa history ng boxing. At ang hindi malilimutang laban ay ang kontra sa mga Mexicano. Dahil ang laban na nagpakilala sa ating pambansang kamao Manny Pacquiao at nagbigay ng malaking pagkakataon, hindi lang kay Pacquiao, kundi nagbukas din ng pinto sa mga nangangarap nating mga boksingero.
Champion John Riel Cuadro Alas Casino.
Magmula makaharap ni Manny Pacquiao ang boxing legend na si Marco Antonio Barrera alias the Babyface Assassin. Sa mga panahon na ito ay walang sino man ang nakakakilala sa ating pambansang kamao.
Mababa naman pala eh. Mababa lang.
Bago mangyari ang laban ni Pacquiao at Barrera, ay pinili ni Marco Antonio Barrera kung si Manny Pacquiao nga ba o si Oscar Larios ang kanyang gusto makaharap. At dito pinili niya si Pacman dahil hindi niya ito kilala at mas gusto niya ito marahil kala niya pipitsugin at hindi niya ginustong kalabanin si Oscar Larios gawa ng ito ay kanyang kababayan. Paberong sinabi ni Marco Antonio Barrera na nagsisisi ito na pinili niya si Manny Pacquiao dahil sa kanyang natamong bugbog at pagkatalo.
As good as he takes. Another right hand over the top. But Pacquiao's body punches set up another knockdown, and Lawrence Ball said it's not a knockdown.
That was kind of rolled out for a knockout. He can't handle the speed of the movement.
To Barrera now, minus 40 wouldn't hurt him. There's no way a great fighter should have to go through 3 more minutes of this.
No, los Pacquiao,
Your man is up on the opening. He's gonna step into the ring.
Naging isang malaking bangungot sa mga Mexican fans na makitang matalo ang kanilang pinakamamahal na boksingero at tila gumuho ang kanilang mga mundo matapos ang sinapit ni Barrera sa kamay ni Pacman. Naghihinagpis ang lahat ng nakasaksi ng laban. Kaya naman ito ang naging simula para umangat ang boxing icon na si Manny Pacquiao.
Manny Pacquiao in bold relief. Where does the spotlight fall? Right here.
Pagmula ng pataubin ni Manny Pacquiao si Barrera ay dito na inisa-isa ni Pacman ang mga Mexican fighters na kilala noong araw tulad nila Hector Velasquez, Eric Morales, Jorge Solis, Juan Manuel Marquez, David Diaz, Oscar de la Hoya at ang malahigante na si Tijuana Tornado Margarito. Kaya naman binansagan siyang the Mexicutioner ng mundo ng boxing. Kahit yun pa man ang sinapit ng mga Mexicano ay naging paborito at minahal pa rin ng Mexico ang ating only 8 division world champion na si Manny Pacquiao. Kaya ay tinuturing ng marami na ang rivalry ng Pilipinas at Mexico ay isang siguradong magandang laban at inaabangan ng lahat pag ang dalawang bandera na ang winawagayway sa ibabaw ng lona. Sa dami ng beses na nakipaglaban si Pacquiao sa mga Meksikano ay parang nakabisado na natin ang national anthem nila.
Mexicanos al grito de guerra.
Sa huling paghaharap ng Babyface Assassin ng Mexico at ang ating pambansang kamao, dito naging memorable at ito na rin ang tumuldok sa kanilang kabanata. Sa pangalawang beses na paghaharap ni Marco Antonio Barrera at Manny Pacquiao ay nagbigay pa rin ito ng hindi malilimutang bakbakan to the max at punong-puno ng aksyon na laban. Ang naging diferensya lang sa kanilang unang laban at dito sa pangalawa ay dito kilala na si Manny Pacquiao bilang hindi basta-basta at isang elite fighter.
Catch Pacquiao coming in with a beautiful counter right hand. And there you see both of the guys exchanging punches right here.
Ipinakita ng dalawa ang hindi kapani-paniwalang fighting skills at aggression na bibihira lang nating makita ang mga boxing fans.
Was fascinated during the last between round period to see all 3 judges looking up at the big screens and
Yeah, it's just gonna be. The only thing is when doing this, man, and every time that he does land a clean blow, it just ignites Pacquiao, and Pacquiao comes right back and gets right back in the fight right away.
so around after
At sa labang ito, paniguradong pinaghandaan ni Marco Antonio Barrera si Manny Pacquiao. Di tulad ng kanilang unang laban na hindi niya inakalang malakas pala ito at ito ang tatalo sa kanya.
Barrera's brother in the corner. Barrera, who's very conscious of creating, sneaks a right hand around Pacquiao's guard, takes a hard right hand in return for his trouble.
Sir, the power of that.
Because he can't play too fast and too able to get off punches and flurries. Combination by Barrera.
And he throws his left hand, he'll come back with a straight right.
Eric Morales, that surely all Morales fans are thinking right now. He was outgunned by Manny Pacquiao, the gunfight.
This is the fight, really. Barrera of about
Makikitang mas nasa kondisyon si Marco Antonio Barrera.
even just said recently when he fought Marquez.
Where to place it? Hard left hand by Pacquiao. Barrera's had a couple of good combinations. Hard left. Marco may feel a need to answer that.
So much on the defense.
It's been few and far between.
At kahit pa makailang ulit na beses na tinatamaan si Marco Antonio Barrera, ay walang takot itong sumasagot sa mga matitinding suntok ni Manny Pacquiao.
And I think it's bad to master your last fight because if the fight is a decision to a guy who's going to be against you also after the fight.
It's about 80 pounds and a different kind of style matchup. But this reminds me of Michael Spinks in his last two fights. Pacquiao, on the other hand, sometimes seems to be lulled to sleep by Barrera. Then he comes back with something like that.
Dito pa nakita pa rin ni Manny Pacquiao ang kanyang bilis, lakas, na tumalo noon sa Marco Antonio Barrera na isang lineal featherweight champion.
It's like a tedious enterprise. Manny Pacquiao.
Pacquiao's got great balance when he starts moving on his toes. That's what I like to do. Move and bounce and then bounce.
Of course, with that straight hard left, originally stops and throws a couple, mostly clean punching, just like you saw there.
Is to put a very raucous
Man, there's a Mexico down about 20 something.
them to fight more. Fighting this way, he'll say the truth. It's not. But one comment.
Ito ipinakita ni Marco Antonio Barrera ang puso ng isang Mexican fighter na hindi umatras at lumalaban hanggang sa kanyang huling hininga.
Or if you choose, show them everything in perfect clear detail, as is sometimes the case here. Less experience.
Got the fight at the exact tip of this, and going down the stretch, looks like Pacquiao's going to try to be busier, and he can do that pretty good. Because
Usual could conceivably be going on.
this is a type of a fight that could be given to Barrera by some worse decisions, and it wouldn't be a fight that you could argue about too much.
You can't give the fight to the fighter who's just trying to lower the temperature.
It certainly does from time to time. We've seen judges do that. There was a judge who had Corey Spinks beating Jermaine Taylor in Memphis. And what Spinks wanted to do is lower the temperature. Now momentarily they fight again, and Barrera gives as good as he gets in that exchange. If he'd done it all night, probably the inevitable.
Fighter with more precision punches.
At sa hindi inaasahang pagkakataon, isang kakaibang suntok ang binitawan ni Marco Antonio Barrera matapos malagay sa alanganin ang babyface assassin.
Headbutt.
Not bad headbutt.
Big time headbutt by Barrera.
Would break his
Ngunit hindi ininda ng ating pambansang kamao ito at nagpatuloy pa rin para lumaban.
Instead, he backed off.
Right here, you see Barrera hit him with a tremendous right hand punch, and
just has been unable to do that.
chanting for their man. Barrera has anything on his mind.
Fight. If I was a fan of his fights, so I could see a call for words from some of the people that are supporting.
Likely.
No, he's won the fight. I think we just compare it to the way he's normally.
Satisfy Marco Antonio Barrera. And now the old warrior looks for another chance. To Tony Weeks as it wait 4 years in the sport. Cold War, item one at the end of the Cold War was to give Barrera his chance at revenge. But apparently it came too late for him to really be Manny Pacquiao.
We didn't get a Cold War.
At dito pinakita ni Marco Antonio Barrera ang kanyang tibay sa kabila ng kanyang edad na hindi siya napabagsak ni Manny Pacquiao.
This is a tough fight to call, gentlemen.
All I know is either way is probably going to be controversial.
To the winner by unanimous decision.
Wagi si Manny Pacquiao via unanimous decision sa isang hindi malilimutang laban.